video I'm going to be using this glass that I have previously glittered in this beautiful purple, and it's all in a dishwasher Mod Podge, so it's perfectly safe in the dishwasher. This has been left for a good couple of months now, but they need to be left for 30 days and then they can be used in the dishwasher, etc, etc, so that's fine. But this one I've had around for a little while and I want to jazz it up just a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is, using this purple here, one of my favourite combinations at the moment is a purple and turquoise. Absolutely stunning combination. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape up around the top, and then we'll have a nice strip of this turquoise colour around the top, and then I'm going to paint on some animal prints onto here and then sprinkle this lovely turquoise glitter over the top and hopefully have a nice strip with animal print glitter on. So I tape up my glasses using masking tape. People use different things. Some people use electrical tape. I've seen that loads of times. However, I can never seem to get a straight line and it drives me nuts. So I do little slithers of masking tape all the way around the top, and therefore have a nice line around the top. So I'll speed up the video as I do that. There it is, all taped up, nice line to go. So what I'm going to do now is apply a thin layer of Mod Podge on this lip here, and then sprinkle over the turquoise. Now, depending on the thickness of the glitter, this glitter is slightly chunkier than the glitter. So this is extra fine glitter and this is just normal sized craft glitter. So it might be 1 or 2 coats, we'll see what the coverage is like. So I'll get on with that first, and then I'll get on with painting the animal print onto the purple. There we go, that's the first coat on there, and that needs to be dried. Now, saying that, I don't know if you can see in there, but it's quite see-through in patches, so there will be a second coat of the Mod Podge going on once that one's dried. However, whilst that's drying, I'm going to dust off a few of those loose turquoise pieces. I find it really handy to keep a dry paintbrush close by while you're doing these kind of glasses, especially when you're mixing colours like this, because then you can just get rid of the bits you don't need. So now this could be left with the purple and the turquoise, which is pretty awesome. However, I'll show you what I've been practicing earlier to see how this looks. So there we go, so I've painted with the glue on the bit of paper and sprinkled over the top with the turquoise. So I'm going to be following similar patterns like that on the glass. I'll probably only do the bowl here, this bit, for the glass, and then I might do a couple on the bottom and leave the stem purple. So you have a bit of animal print, stem purple, animal print, and then turquoise. But we'll see how it goes. Oh, I need a thinner brush than that to get that. So switch to my slightly smaller brush here. And now just paint on top of the glitter. Now again, these might need a couple of coats once we put it on. I will try and put the glue on a bit thicker here because it's easier on top of the glitter than it is on top of the glass, and hopefully we can get away with just the one coat of these because the colours are quite pigmented. Then you just paint shapes on, and after I've done a few I will sprinkle on some glitter, and then we'll carry on and do some more until I've filled up the whole of the glass and done as many as I feel we need on this glass. So now this glass has been setting overnight, so just tap off all the excess glitter that is just loose on top that hasn't set into the glue, like so. Give a little bit of a blow to get rid of any bits that are just loose on the surface. So you can see there's not much coming off, so that's okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do the second coat around the top here of this lip, and then once that's set to dry after 1-2 hours, we'll come back and set the turquoise all over the mug with the Mod Podge, but for the moment just the strip, and then we'll come back in a little while. So same as before, strip of glue around the top of the dishwasher Mod Podge, around the top, and then sprinkle the turquoise over the top and leave it to set.